Hi there, this is Paul from Pixate, and today I wanted to show you our latest Pixate Playground, which is a showcase for our Pixate Engine, the styling engine for native iOS controls. When I click on the Pixate logo up here, then our CSS gets applied. And this is all being done in real time. You can see if I come in here and I change, you can see the button change there, or if I change the background color, let's say to green, or even I can do a linear gradient, let's say from red to blue. There, change this maybe to yellow, make it really ugly. There, you can get the idea. So I'll just run through and show you some of this. That basically shows kind of what we have supporting now. There's your default activity indicators. Here's some simple styling. Same for image view, the ability to specify images directly. We're changing label size here. Here's the default navigation bar up top with three more. We'll just push views. These are custom buttons we've put for the back on the first 3 pages, and then it goes to the default navigation bar buttons for the remaining pages. So here now, if you see if I style those, now we've styled the navigation bar. We've styled the first button red, the second green, the third one blue, and then those are the default ones styled with this kind of light blue. Page control, same thing. Here's your default page. There they are styled. Color picker's interesting. We went just kind of nuts on this one just to see how extreme we could go. There's a default picker, and this is the date picker. And then now we'll style them. We like to call this one Jelly Bean. But you can see it's pretty interesting how dynamic we can get. Progress view. For this one, we're actually showing not only can you style the progress views, but actually adjust our location. So there's basic layout support as well. So you can see when I click, we position the 3 progress views. And for the top one, we've got essentially coloring, just tinting. The second one here, we actually have an image pattern, a gradient in a certain size. You can see here, my progress to track. We can set the color, which is a gradient, and the size of the track. So you get this nice repeating pattern. And on the last one, we actually use an image for the track. And what's really cool is the image is actually a vector SVG file. So it's a vector image converted to a vector file converted to an image and used as the track of this progress view. Scroll view doesn't do anything right now, but when we style it, we've not only put an image in the scroll view, but we've also set the bounds of the scroll view. You can see we've made the content be inset by 25 points in each direction, which means it's kind of framed by the background, and then the background itself has a nice gradient there. So I could change that, for example, to yellow. So you guys see now it's yellow to black. Here's 3 search bars, and then there they are styled with some color and the text color as well. Segmented controls, this is the standard size, and I think these are called, I forgot the actual name of them, but they're different style. And then there they are styled. So no, didn't we style the buttons themselves, we styled the separator, the divider rather, you can see there, we actually styled the divider of that. And then here, tinting these as well. These are default sliders. Style those. Here's a custom styling, and again using a custom image, which is the same vector file we used before. Simple steppers, and these we just show how to set opacity and color on those. 3 switches, we'll style those, and now they have basically just some custom tinting. Tab bar, standard tab bar. We can style those. We can put custom shadow images on there. You can see here, you put a shadow image on the URL. It's pretty small up there, but it's there. Table views, here's plain and group table view. These are done in code. In other words, no nib file. And then this is also a plain and grouped. These are done via a nib file. So just showing the different ways of doing it. And then we can style those. So here's the plain table styled, including the section headers. Here's the group one. Here's the plain and the nib one. And then they are styled. We'll style each one. Put an image and everything. Text fields. Styling those and setting custom fonts. Same with the text view. Here's 3 toolbars, and there they are styled. And then this, we set a custom background image on the toolbar itself. And these are 3 views. You can't see them now. When we style them, just showing we can set background colors or images or what have you on an actual view, which most of the time will probably be a background. And then finally, web view. The web view itself can't be styled because it's just a web browser. But what we can do is show how to take a web view and style all the things around it, including the position of the web view itself. So notice here for my web view, we're setting the top, left, and side. So when we style that, we've styled the button, we've styled the URL field, and then the browser itself is now kind of inset a little so you can see that nice background. And I can come here, for example, and change that background, and you can see that it shows behind our kind of custom browser. So there it is, and the browser's live as you can see. All right, and that's it. That's the Playground, and it's available now on the Apple App Store. And sign up on our mailing list to find out more at pixate.com. Thank you.